to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This one is for January of 2021, and oh my god, the 90s vibes are so real with this one. Like this bag. First off, the really soft, almost jelly-like vinyl. I am living for it. And even the font they use on it looks all like digital, technological, very like late 90s, early millennium. The shade of blue was like fucking everywhere around the turn of the millennium. Was like my favorite color in the world at that point. Even the pull tab on this looks like a jelly. It's not, it's just hard plastic, but it looks like jelly. I'm like, oh my god! It's so 90s, I fucking love it! So let's find the little card first. Yeah, I am living for this bag, just saying. So, January 2021, dream it. Like I said, very millennium. New month, new year. Phew, and the sky's the limit. When you start small, a trim here, a bold lip there, your grandest glow goals will be within reach. Get into this month's theme in ipsy.com/dreamit. Then on the back we have an ad for refreshments. So, introducing refreshments. Banish boring routines with our new membership to Sparkling Clean Body and Face Essentials. Member pricing starts at $5, 20 to 30% off MSRP, clean and 100% vegan ingredients, cruelty-free and dermatologist-tested products. Visit ipsy.com/refreshments to get on the list. Follow us at My Refreshments. Oh, good, and so we've actually got the list of products for once. What do you know? They can still do it. Let's see here. What looks are you dreaming up? Your 5 glam bag products valued at $50 plus are here to bring them to life. So we have an SL Miss Glam Flat Foundation B12 brush. And can we just talk about how pretty it is? I love all the glitter sparkles in there. I love the blue rhinestones. I love the little blue on the tip here. It just, oh, I love it so hard. And thankfully for me, it is labeled on the barrel what kind of brush it is, because beyond tossing that little piece of paper, I am never going to remember what this is, so thank you for labeling it. Makeup brush companies, please label your shit so those of us who are stupid will know what it is that we're using and if we're using it correctly. So this is full size and retails for $19.50 for this one brush. Just saying. The easiest way to ditch visible makeup lines for good, making this foundation brush a staple in your routine. The bristles are baby soft, they're not lying, but blend liquid and cream foundations to streak-free perfection. Tip, we love using this blending brush to apply cream, contour, and highlighter products too. Next product. They're all trying to jump out of the bag, but because I put it down upside down. Whoops, my bad. So we have a deluxe sample of the Elizabeth Mott Ultra Moisturizing Shea Hand Cream in full bloom. Again, look how damn cute it is. The full size of this, which is like 3 times as big, is $28. Ouch. Keep this little tube of moisturizing goodness in your bag this winter, and your dry hands will thank you for it. The ultra hydrating formula is packed with nourishing shea butter, and the lightweight texture soaks into skin immediately, leaving your hands smooth but not slick. Tip, this moisturizing cream can be used on dry elbows, knees, and heels too. Well, no shit, so can like any lotion for that matter. But yeah, it's so strong, I can totally smell it through the cap. And it smells really good. Just saying. Just saying. But yeah, I'm very much looking forward to using that one. Next. And this also adds to like the very much 90s vibe of the bag. We have a Styla product. I remember seeing these advertised nonstop in my 90s teen magazines. Like, holy shit, I never actually owned one. The fact that I do, I feel like my inner teen girl is like squeeing over this so hard. This is a deluxe sample size. The full version of it is $22, which is why I never owned Styla before. But yeah, this is their Stay All Day liquid lipstick in patina. It looks very close to it's a little darker than my lip color, but it'll probably be real pretty on. Cult classic alert! This award-winning liquid lipstick is loved by influencers and editors for its comfort, longevity, and ultra-pigmented yet lightweight formula. It'll stay put for hours and is infused with vitamin E and avocado oil to keep lips soft and hydrated throughout the day. Tip, exfoliate your lips with a damp washcloth or sugar-based scrub before applying. Okay, I'll put that over here in the to-be-reviewed pile of the lip products. Dropped one when I put that one on though. Okay. And then, that's 1, 2, 3. Okay. Got 2 more to go. So this one is Glow on 5th Hydrate and Renew Replenishing Night Cream. This is, again, a deluxe sample size. The full size of this would be $24 freaking dollars. My goodness. Sleep soundly knowing your skin is getting all the hydration it needs when you slather on this rejuvenating night cream. It uses sandalwood oil, linseed oil, and hyaluronic acid to plump, brighten, moisturize, and improve skin's texture for the glowing skin of your dreams. Tip: massage a few dollops onto clean skin and neck every night before bed. That sounds lovely. However, I'm not a fan of the fact that they only list the ingredients on the outer tube. So I'm like, I don't know how I feel about that. I kind of like having them visible on the actual tube, but I guess because it's so small, they didn't want to do that. Anyway, so the last thing in here is another deluxe sample, and the full size of it is $25. That's okay, because for what it is, even the sample size will go plenty far. But it's the Claris New York Moisturizing Rosehip Facial Oil Serum. There's the front of it. So, proof that plant-based skincare can pack a seriously powerful punch. A blend of rosehip oil and vitamin E moisturizes and repairs stressed-out skin for a glowy look, while vitamin A promotes cell turnover to smooth your skin and brighten up your tone. Tip: applying a few drops before your makeup for extra hydration and smooth application. I think they should have used apply, not applying, for proper grammar in that sentence, but whatever, it totally doesn't even matter. So, anyway, that's what I got in my January just regular glam bag from Ipsy. I do also have my Glam Bag Plus still to show you guys too. But yeah, I was really stoked with this one actually. So, even without add-ons. So, anyway guys, that is it for this one. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.